Alright, so for this show, we're going to do a tree diagram, and we're looking at a scenario where Pete spins two spinners to choose toppings for his pizza. So down here you'll notice that we've got pictures of the two spinners, one with cheese, peppers, and pepperoni, and the other one has onions, cheese, and mushrooms. So what are the possibilities for his pizza combinations? So spinner one has cheese, pepperoni, and peppers. So we've got them listed here. And then spinner two was cheese, mushrooms, and onions. So for the first spinner for cheese, we've got cheese, mushrooms, and onions showing here. For the pepperoni option, we've again cheese, mushrooms, onion, and then again cheese, mushrooms, onion. And there's a little shortcut shown in brackets here with the initial of C, M, and O, which is useful as well. So for the first spinner, we've got cheese is the first possible outcome, and so we've got cheese written down 3 times to go along with the 3 different possibilities of spinner number 2. So we've got cheese, we've got mushrooms, and we've got onions. So cheese and cheese, cheese and cheese, cheese, mushrooms, there, and then cheese and onions. So this row here explains the possible outcome from the spinners. Next one is pepperoni. So we'll write that out. Pepperoni and cheese. Pepperoni and mushrooms. And pepperoni and onions. So cheese, mushrooms, onions, cheese, mushroom, onions. So there is a pattern developing here on this far right column that hopefully you've picked up on. And then for our third option on spinner 1, we've got peppers. So again, spinner 2, we've got cheese, mushrooms, and onions. So peppers and cheese. Peppers and mushrooms. And then lastly, peppers and onion. So that gives you all the different possible outcomes. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 possible combinations of 2 topping pizzas using these 2 spinners. And it wants us to write the sample space. So we've got cheese and cheese is the first row here. The next one is cheese and mushrooms. And then cheese and onions. Now we're going to go to pepperoni. And I think I'm going to use the letter I because that's what pepperoni ends with. And then cheese, pepperoni, and mushrooms, pepperoni, and onions. And then peppers, well, I'll use P. With cheese, peppers and mushrooms, and peppers and onions. Now, coincidentally, the way this sample space is written out, it kind of looks like a chart. You'll notice that the first letter here is all cheese, first letter here is all pepperoni, first letter here is all peppers. This column is all cheese for the second one. This one is all mushrooms for the second one, and this one is all onions for the second one. So the way this is drawn, it actually looks like a table, and that's a way to double check that you've actually done it right. You should be able to see the distinct rows and columns there. So that's Pete's pizza possibilities.